Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some amazing Samsung Galaxy wallpapers for you guys. So let's dive in and get started and grab some amazing wallpapers. And of course I'm talking about wallpapers just like the one that I showed you guys in the very beginning. So look at that advanced technological wallpaper. So let's dive in and grab these right away. Now normally these wallpapers are paid, but they're free right now. So grab them as soon as possible. So to grab them, you want to click the link down below. It's going to take you to my website. Once you're at the website, all you want to do is you want to scroll down just a little bit, okay? And they're going to be listed just like this one. Wallpaper number 1, number 2, 3, and so on and so forth. You simply want to click the link right here. That's going to take you to the Galaxy store from where you can download the wallpaper. It is going to say free, so do it as soon as possible. You may have to watch an ad to get it for free. So we already saw this one. It's a stunning wallpaper for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone for the lock screen. So let's move on to wallpaper number 2. So go back to the website, scroll down, that's number 2, click the link. Now this is the Galaxy one with the starry sky, so I'm going to tap on apply. Alright, tap on set on lock screen. Let's preview this in the lock screen. Double tap, boom boom. There we go. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous, high resolution, high quality, great animation. Let's go back inside. Number 3, right over here. That's the cool blue tech wallpaper. Again, free right now. Grab it ASAP, as you can see. Now, if I click on free, I'm going to cancel this. Make sure to tap cancel here. And then you just have to watch this ad over here. You can watch the whole thing or just skip it. It's up to you. But then it's going to download. Download is now complete. Let's preview this guy. Set on lock screen. Tap, tap. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. If you press and hold, it's going to play through the entire video. Alright, so that's that. Let's move on to the next one. Number 4, right over here. Particle stars. Click on it. Another Galaxy wallpaper. Apply, set. Alright, boom, boom, boom. There we go. Nice and clean. Alright, beautiful. You see little shooting stars. Okay, in a nice clear sky. Perfect. And the final one is a little bit different. That's the wavy fluids. Tap on it. Click on apply. Set. Let's see what this one looks like. Double tap. There we go. Another gorgeous wallpaper. Okay? So these were a bunch of free wallpapers. Some of them are free forever. But the really nice ones, the technological ones, could revert back to being priced. So like I said, ASAP, grab it. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, alright? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.